Hello Corsa owners. Today I will show you one common issue on this model. Is it Corsa D from 2006 up to 2014, I think. And is definitely common issue. If you still don't have this problem, highly likely you can get it in future. And for prevent this problem, you can watch this video and have a look what's going on. This car already have this problem. We will sort it right now without any special tool. Just need a few steps and it will be sorted. Look the problem. Airbag lights on. When I connect scanner, it show fault code B0014 side airbag. Okay, look what's going on. Switch ignition on. After we have to disconnect the battery, definitely go this step. Problem from this airbag wire. Battery disconnected. We go on the under the rear seat. Next step, we have to disconnect this connector. It's easy to do. Just pull. That's it. And moving inside. Okay, now we have to take off part of this cover. It is well easy job. I already little bit done this. Here is a few clips like this, and just like this. Problem on this wire. I already cut two zip ties from this side and this. Look what's happened. This wire, when the car is moving, it damaged with this sharp frame. That's why it gets worn. Look. This. Is it airbag wire? I have to replace this part of cable. I think this side is well a little bit worn. It just start to be worn just. Okay, I will replace whole piece of this wire and we'll see if it helps. That's it, job done. Repair cable and cover in a garden hose. I think it will be for long lasting or definitely till end of the life this car. Okay, now I'll fit everything back. Connect wire, connect the battery, and we'll see what's happened with light on dashboard. Everything fitted back. Now we will start car. Ta-da! That's it. Job done. No more airbag lights on. Everything working fine. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like my channel. See you next video.